What's going on, guys? This is Mo. And this is Ock TV. Today we're back in the hood, but this time the Flatbush Project with the one and only Dennis CTV.
Today we're gonna be farting on people. See what kind of reactions we get.
Excuse me. You know where I can find a bathroom?
Go in the medical center, they got one.
Thank you. I got the parts. You know where I can use the bathroom at? You know where I could you know where I could find a public bathroom? Because I got the parts.
Why are you doing that?
What do you mean, why am I doing that?
Like, are you retarded? Do you want me to punch you?
What do you mean punch you?
Why are you doing
You want me to hit you?
I just have a problem. You're gonna hit me for what? I'm just trying to fart.
Dude, if you do that one more time, I'm seriously gonna slap you. You're harassing me right now, you know that, right?
Harassing you? For what? Letting gas out?
Here's a police officer right there.
And it's a prank.
And I'm gonna beat your ass.
Excuse me? Do you mind if I fart on you real quick?
Huh?
Like fart.
What?
Like fart on you, like.
What else? What other reason?
You don't mind, man?
Smack this guy.
Huh?
I'm saying though. Let me talk to you for a second.
What?
Cause I'm saying.
My fault, man. My fault, man. It's a pooter. It's a pooter. It's on camera. It's on camera. It's on camera, man. It's on camera. It's on camera. It's on camera, man. Are you serious?
It was a prank. It was a prank.
You do this,
It was
man?
a prank.
Do you know
It
me?
was a prank. It was a
I don't give a fuck, man. Why you do this to me?
It was a prank, man.
Who you are? Who the
There's a
fuck you
camera.
are,
There's a
man?
camera. Chill. It's a fucking prank, dude. It's a prank. It's a camera. It's a prank. Right, dude. There's a fucking